Top stocks in news: BHEL, HCL Tech, UBL, Bharat Dynamics, NMDC, Jain Resource, APAC Prefab. Stocks including Bharat Electronics, HCL Technologies, UBL, Bharat Dynamics, NMDC, Jain Resource, APAC Prefab, Avanti Feeds and more will be in the spotlight on Thursday, 23rd October. Quarterly results today: Hindustan Unilever, Colgate-Palmolive, India, Laurus Labs, PTC India Financial Services, Tata Teleservices, Maharashtra, Faptech Technologies, Jumbo Bag, Andhra Siemens, Sagar Siemens, South India Paper Mills, and Vardhaman Textiles will announce their earnings for the September 2025 quarter today. Corporate actions today: shares of ICICI Bank, Uniparts India and KSol's India shall trade ex-dividend today. 1. Bharat Electronics. The state-run defence player has received an order valued at 633 crore rupees from Cochin Shipyard for the supply of items required for various sensors, weapon equipment, fire control systems, and communication equipment. 2. HCL Technologies, DIB, the world's first Islamic bank and the largest in the UAE, has announced a strategic partnership with the IT solutions major to accelerate the adoption of artificial intelligence (AI) across its ecosystem. 3. United Breweries, Heineken N.V. stated that in India, organic net revenue grew by a mid-single digit, while beer volume fell by a mid-single digit in Q3 CY25, impacted by an unusually strong monsoon season. The price mix expanded by a high single digit, supported by pricing in key states and portfolio mix. Premium volume grew in the low teens. 4. Bharat Dynamics. The Indian Army is set to procure 2,408 Nag Mark II anti-tank guided missiles and 107 Namika vehicles in a major indigenous defense deal expected to be approved shortly. BDL, as the manufacturing partner, stands to benefit significantly from this strong order inflow. 5. NMDC. The metal products company has revised prices of iron ore, effective 22nd October, with the price of Bela lump, 65.5%, 10 to 40 mm, at 5,550 rupees per ton and Bela fines, 64%, 10 mm, at 4,750 rupees per ton. 6. Jain Resource Recycling. The non-ferrous metal products player reported a 77.7% YoY jump in the net profit at 99.2 crore rupees, while revenue surged 51.8% YoY to 2,113.7 crore rupees in the September 2025 quarter. It also signed a joint venture agreement with CNY Group Investments Incorporated for a recycling and manufacturing facility in Gujarat. 7. Kirloskar Ferrous Industries. The metal solutions player has received a contract from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, for the supply of regular EUE tubing, pub joints, and crossovers. The total order value is around 358 crore rupees. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.